Maintaining a secure physical security system goes far beyond the initial setup. While installing hardware and software is a significant milestone, the real key to long-term success lies in continuous support. Ongoing maintenance is essential to keeping your system operational, effective, and resilient against new and evolving threats. Continuous support is critical for maintaining the integrity of your system. Without it, systems can degrade over time, leaving your business exposed to potential risks. Support keeps everything running smoothly, addressing issues before they become serious. Preventive maintenance is a cornerstone of effective security management. Regular inspections of both hardware and software help identify potential problems early, preventing breakdowns and ensuring the system functions as intended. This proactive approach minimizes risks and reduces downtime, keeping your security solution reliable. Troubleshooting is another vital part of sustaining your security infrastructure. When issues arise, having a structured troubleshooting process helps resolve them quickly. Sometimes, this involves escalating more complex problems to third-party support partners, which ensures that disruptions are minimized and systems remain operational. As your business grows, it's also important to scale and upgrade your security system. New security challenges and evolving threats mean your infrastructure needs to keep pace. Regular system upgrades allow you to stay current with both hardware and software, ensuring your business remains protected as it expands. Finally, integrating your physical security system with your existing IT infrastructure can greatly enhance its effectiveness. This integration streamlines issue management, improves collaboration between your IT and security teams, and allows for faster response times. By bringing these systems together, you create a more cohesive and efficient security environment. That's how ongoing maintenance and support keep your security infrastructure strong, protecting your business and ensuring it's prepared for the future. At Connextions, we help businesses and organizations align where they are today with where they want to be in the future. Our team of physical security professionals can help you assess, design, integrate, and support your security solution, ensuring you are fully protected. Contact us today, and let's work together for a more secure tomorrow.